What is the secret behind your reserved teenager? As our kids reach their teenage, whether girls or boys, they tend to maintain a distance with their parents. They are of the viewpoint that their parents won't understand them, which is actually true. We don't understand their viewpoint because we don't have the habit of being with them and listen to them non judgmentally. For every aspect of their life, we have an advice to give. Though I agree that we think in their best interests, but teen is an age where our kids are trying to build their own identity, which is different from just being our children. Their lives are surrounded by many more people than were there in their childhood. And many times they behave in a certain manner just to impress their friends. As parents, we cannot say that those people are not important in their lives. Remember, when you were a child, how important it was for you to be acknowledged and appreciated in your own friend circle. The same is true for your kids too. So, I'm sharing with you some easy and practical ways in which you can bond again with your children so that you are not worried that they are keeping secrets from you. Number one, the most important thing to learn is getting down to the level of your children. You are their caretakers and not bosses. So don't try to impose your advices on them. It will increase your gap with them. Number two, try spending some downtime with them. No targets, no timelines, no serious talks, no pieces of advice. Just some time getting involved in what your kids enjoy. Be a part of what they love to do, be it a movie or a cricket match or a walk in the park. It will definitely strengthen your bonding. Number three, try practicing just listening. We all crave for that one person who patiently and lovingly listens to what we feel inside. And mind it, if you are not striving to be that one person in your kid's life, then she or he is going to look out for somebody else outside the family. Number four, do not take parenting as a challenge. Parenting is a part of your life. Look beyond homeworks, classes, and meal times. And if you don't, then your stress is pushing away your teenager because she or he won't like to overburden you with her or his problems. Number five, please don't be overstressed by their marks or performance in school. School education is just one tiny part of this big life ahead of them. And good performance in school or college won't necessarily lead to success in life. I have many friends who were average scorers in school but are really successful now. So, those were my ideas to help you and your children come closer. Please share your feedback on the above ideas. My name is Deepti. Through my channel Journey of Positive Parenting, I have been sharing many useful ways in which we can raise our kids, make them listen to us, and help them become successful in their lives. And the best part is that we don't have to scold or hit them when we use these ways. If you also want to learn these ways of parenting, then come to my channel, and if you think that my videos are useful to you, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.